GSM, HSPA, LTE. Basically, it can call, text, and browse. But let's be real. You'll mostly use it to check notifications and then ignore them. Released on December 17, 2024, just in time for Christmas, in case Santa forgot to bring you a new phone. Thanks, Motorola. 652 inches tall, 229 inches wide, basically. Big enough to hold, but small enough to slip between couch cushions and disappear forever. At 188.8 G, it's light to carry but still heavy. Enough to break your nose when you drop it on your face in bed. Stay strong. IPS LCD, 90 Hz, smooth, scrolling for your ex's old messages and that. Last seen at 2 a.m. regret. Android 15, so advanced that even your grandma's phone updates before yours. Welcome to the future. MediaTek Helio G81, powerful enough to run all your apps. But don't expect it to make you a gaming champion overnight. 50mm HDR captures every detail, including that one pimple you were hoping wouldn't show up. Thanks, ultra-clear photos. 8MP HDR, good enough for selfies. But if you look bad, that's on you, not the camera. Try a filter. Stereo speakers loud enough to turn your room into a mini theater, or annoy your whole family when you forget to plug in your earphones. Side fingerprint, loud enough to annoy your neighbors and secure enough to remind you that only you can unlock your bad financial decisions. 5200 mAh lasts longer than your last relationship. But still, charge it before a long day, just in case. 18W fast charging. Fast is a strong word. But at least you won't be waiting an entire episode of your favorite show for a decent charge. At 255, it's a solid deal. Cheap enough to not cry if you drop it, but good enough to feel like a king in the budget phone world.